all. From jungles deep to rivers wide, let's learn their wonders side by side. Reticulated python with patterns so bold, slithering quietly in stories untold. Burmese python, a giant so grand, in dense jungles it silently stands.
King cobra rises, a sight to behold. Its hood spreads wide as it strikes so bold. Indian cobra with venomous might, the guardian of temples, ready to fight.
Green tree python in branches so high, camouflaged well as it waits to spy. Ball python so calm, curled tight in a ball, a gentle giant, both fearless and small.
Boa Constrictor, powerful and strong, wrapping its prey in a deadly song.
Anaconda, the river's might, swimming through swamps in the dark of night.
Eastern diamondback with a rattle so loud, warning its foes, standing proud. Copperhead with its venomous bite, lurking in shadows, staying out of sight.
In the heat of the day or the cool of the night, they slink through the shadows, a beautiful sight. With power and grace they silently roam, in the wilds of nature they call it home.
Black mamba with speed so swift, striking in silence, a deadly gift. Taipan venomous, fast as the breeze, in the outback it moves with ease.
Coral snake with colors so bright, a venomous beauty, a deadly sight. Milk snake, a mimic, deceives with style, looking like a venomous snake for miles. Garter snake, in gardens it's seen, slithering quietly so calm and serene.
Rough green snake climbing trees with grace, a slender beauty, moving in place.
Sea crate, with a venomous bite, swimming in oceans, hiding from sight.
Hognose snake, with its dramatic flair, flipping on its back as if in despair.
Vine snake, so slender with a graceful sway, mimicking vines, it blends away.
Puff adder, with a hiss so loud, strikes with speed, standing proud.
In the heat of the day or the cool of the night, they slink through the shadows, a beautiful sight. With power and grace they silently roam, in the wilds of nature they call it home.
From jungles deep to deserts dry, reptiles live beneath the sky.
With scales and tails they thrive and play, nature's reptiles brighten our day.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.